Today I'm going to teach you 5 steps for potentially making $500 per day online. All you have to do is follow these simple steps and you can start making money online too. Keep in mind that no one is saying it will be easy, it will take hard work. The first step is to come up with some ideas of about 5 to 8 different streams of income. Multiple flows of income can add up quickly. There is a lot to consider when choosing your income streams. Here are a few examples of these different businesses you can use for this strategy. I will go more into detail on this in future videos for this series. Now on to step 2. It is very important to create an in-depth, well-thought-out business plan for each income stream you create. There is a lot to cover when making a business plan, so make sure you do your due diligence and research as much as possible. I will be covering more on this in a separate video in the future as well. Step 3. Consider using artificial intelligence to help speed things up as far as getting set up. OpenAI's ChatGPT is a great resource for this type of thing and it is very easy to use. Okay, now step 4. Manage all your streams of money individually and continue to build them to increase income. You should treat each stream of revenue as its own business, because it is. And never lose sight of the fact that you are trying to create a business and that is not an easy process in any way. The last step is to always make sure you are up to date on the latest trend and exciting news that has come out. There are many ways to stay up to date, like subscribing to this channel, or channels like it. And try setting up alerts on websites you use to notify you of new ideas as well. Stay tuned for new videos in this series. I break down each step further in my upcoming videos. And I also give you some bonus ideas on how to help your channel to get more views. Thank you for watching.